know you're the reason there'll be more. Yeah, time, yeah. Even though I got much more, I don't mind if you chuck my body, chuck my body, chuck my body. Cause I don't care. Chuck my body, chuck my body.
Play back.
It's the remix, yeah. The remix, yeah.
At first I thought you were saying something different.
Akon, P-Square.
I'm just saying.
Mr. Maybe.
As I got my body. I thought you were saying to touch my body.
And that stays on.
I thought he was asking her
Walk down the street
to touch it.
Wanna jump on your behind.
So for a minute,
Make sure that
I was seeing it wrong. I was pointing to girls, I'm pointing to myself, talking about. I was confused for a minute. That's how I used to be in the club. I used to point at her and then point at me talking about. I used to do. Don't it sound like that? I touch my body though.
I don't care.
I don't care if she touches it. I don't mind. I was that kid in junior high. What's the kid to show it? Show me yours and I'm gonna show you mine. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you mine first.
We're supposed to live like family. I know the lie.
I'm just saying.
Nothing stopping me. She dey feel my swag and I get money. I dey try my best to be somebody.
Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me.
Girl, you make me higher. I dey feel this, baby.
In case you confused like this, touch me. Touch me. I don't care. Touch me. I don't care. Touch me right down there.
I have a confession.
Songs you want to listen to when you're in the mirror naked. When you're in the mirror naked.
See, I like Beyonce, but she did we chica. I like Nicki. I like Rihanna. She did me DJ for God. I like Come On Online.
Please.
Please don't do that dance again, please.
No. Don't
please. Oh my gosh, this boy just twitch.
Son, don't lie.
This boy just did a twitch.
Wait. See?
I swear he was in a runway just now. Stop, don't do that again, please.
Don't act like.
You got a confession?
Don't act like a song wasn't playing, you came out the shower with your towel.
Oh man.
And you dried your skin on beat.
No, you boy look like a drag just now.
Nah, nobody ever dry your skin on beat. You never dry your skin on beat.
On beat?
On beat. Let me dry my skin on beat.
I have a confession. Don't take it personal. I have a confession. So you gotta listen. I have a confession. Don't take it personal. I say I have a confession. So you gotta listen.
You like.
See, I like Beyonce.
Y'all never dry your skin on beat.
Correct. Stone, I'm sorry. I never dry my skin like that. Never. I can honestly say I have never dried my skin that long. I think Stone got a confession.
I ain't got no confessions, Yo.
Hey!
So I shouldn't talk about lotioning on beat. I'm just saying though. Don't judge me.
See, I like Beyonce, but she did we chica. I like Nicki.
I guess Stoneface got some fans out there. They want to see how he lotion his skin to the beat.
No.
They curious.
That's not like
they want to see. Right? They want to see how he lotions his skin to the beat.
I'll pass.
Kingston, afraid than a boy. Portmore, afraid than a boy. Yo, Papi, afraid than a boy.
Draw me line, mount no view to Chisholm. CLM Trelawney Senton. Spain Town, Riverton, Brayton. They are to be crush pagan. Attack, hear this. I mean.